Welcome to this Meditate with Me session, where today we'll simply focus on our breathing for a short moment. So we'll start just simply by finding a comfortable position. You can sit down on a chair, a cushion, or just lay down. You can also do this meditation while standing up. And simply notice the position of your body in space. Notice how your body is placed on the seat or on the bed, on the ground. And if you wish, you can close your eyes or you can keep them open. And if you keep them open, just keep a soft, relaxed gaze. Just try not to focus too intensely on anything. And we'll start just by taking a few deeper breaths and relaxing as much as possible the body with each breath. Relaxing the jaw and the shoulders, relaxing the back and the belly, relaxing the legs, the arms, relaxing the hands and the feet. There's no need to force the relaxation, just allow the body to simply settle without making it do anything. And now we'll simply follow the breath, allowing the breath to be as natural as possible. And as a note, if that's not comfortable for you, if following the breath is in any way unpleasant, you can also just focus on the sensations in your feet or your hands, or any area of your body that feels pleasant or neutral. But if you can, just simply follow the breathing. I invite you to notice where the breathing is strongest, where you can feel it the strongest. It could be a sensation in your nose or in your throat, or it could be a rise and fall of your chest or belly. And once you find the sensation that you can recognize and follow, you can place your attention there. And keep focusing the attention on the area where you feel your breathing. And remembering that the breathing could be just natural as it is, no need to control it. Just allowing the breathing to be natural. It's helpful to you, and it may be difficult to sense the breathing. You can experiment with placing your hand on a belly or your chest and notice the breathing through the sensation of touch. And then simply put attention on the sensations of the belly or chest expanding with each breath in, and then falling with each breath out. Staying with the breathing. And remember that if your thoughts or any distractions happen, while they do naturally to all of us, you can simply return to the breathing or the sensations in your feet or hands, whatever you're following. And there's no need to worry about the thoughts or any distraction. Just allow them to fade away. Now you may find helpful to actually notice the breathing in more detail, such as taking a breath in, inhaling, then a short pause at the end of inhalation, and then exhaling, and a short pause at the end of exhalation. It can also be helpful to count the breaths to keep our attention on breathing. Now, if you do decide to count, make sure that this counting is very quiet. You can mentally note each breath, but make it so it's only like 1-2% of your attention. The rest is on the breathing itself. So you can say 1, breathe in, and breathe out, and 2, breathe in, and breathe out, and 3, breathe in, and breathe out, and continue until you reach 10, or of course you get distracted again and just return to breathing and start from the beginning. So let's just breathe for a short while in silence and noticing the sensation of breathing or the sensations in your hands or feet or wherever it's pleasant. And when you're ready, you can return to wherever you are sitting or laying down or standing. Open your eyes if they were closed. You can choose to stretch or move your body to return to your surroundings fully. I hope you found this breathing meditation relaxing and it helped you to focus your mind a bit, and it's a little bit less distracted than usual. I hope you join me next time for another Meditate with Me session. Until then, have a wonderful day and goodbye for now. Bye.